In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude Design for e-commerce. To get started, open Claude Design and create a new project. At this stage, it helps to give the platform as much useful context as possible. If you already have brand assets ready, upload things like your logo, product photos, website screenshots, competitor screenshots, and any brand guidelines or color references. The reason this matters is simple. The more context Claude has, the more relevant and polished the generated design will be. Once your project is set up, the next step is to write a strong e-commerce brief. This is one of the most important parts of the process. Instead of using a vague prompt like asking for an online store, be specific about what you want. For example, describe the type of brand, the overall style, the sections you need, and whether the design should work well on desktop and mobile. Claude performs much better when you clearly define the industry, target audience, visual direction, and required page structure. After that, ask Claude to generate your homepage. A good homepage prompt should include the key sections you want, such as a hero banner, featured products, a benefits section, testimonials, a newsletter sign-up, and a footer. When the layout appears on the canvas, take time to review it carefully and see whether the page feels aligned with your brand and customer journey. Next, move on to the product pages. Ask Claude to create a product detail page that includes a product gallery, description, price, reviews, an add to cart button, and a related products section. This is important because a strong e-commerce experience goes beyond just a homepage. You want a complete and usable shopping flow. From there, build out the full customer journey. Ask Claude to map the flow from the homepage to the category page, then to the product page, cart, checkout, and order confirmation screen. This helps you design connected screens instead of isolated pages, which is much better for usability and conversions. You can also request multiple homepage variations. For example, ask for a luxury version, a minimalist version, and a conversion-focused version. Comparing options side by side makes it easier to choose a direction before refining the design. Once you have a version you like, start refining it with comments. You can ask for changes like making the call to action button larger, moving reviews higher on the page, using darker colors, or increasing spacing between products. Use chat for bigger revisions and inline